You'll all be aware that we are, of course, heading towards the end of yet another tax year on the 5th of April. But before that, you will also be aware, I hope, that we have another budget on the 15th of March. And whilst we aren't expecting enormous structural changes to taxation, given the state of the economy and everything else that is going on around us, and of course the changes that have already been made in relation to taxation leading up to and at the last autumn statement, you can never be absolutely sure. So whilst this is not meant to be in any way rumour mongering or scaremongering, suffice to say, why don't you consider the 15th of March as the end of your tax year in relation to planning that you are definitely going to do and you will absolutely do, but you're just leaving it to execute. In particular, you know that as we come up to budgets and tax year ends, we get rumours about, and I stress rumours and newspaper headlines about potential reduction or diminishment of pensions tax relief, given that it costs so much money and given that the government could do with every penny it can get. We've had some discussion around a lifetime cap, a lifetime allowance on ISAs, or some other restriction on ISAs and tax efficient investments. So whilst we don't expect any of those changes to be implemented, you can never be sure. So if you were going to make that pension contribution anyway, if you were going to contribute towards that ISA anyway, and in no way saying that we expect changes to those provisions that allow you to make those fantastic contributions so tax efficiently, if you're going to do it anyway, why not do it before the 15th of March rather than leave it until afterwards, just in case?